In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter, so you can quickly see who's linking to your site and how those links contribute to your visibility. Start on the main Semrush dashboard. From here, look over to the left sidebar and click on the SEO section. This gathers all the search-related tools into one place so you're not hunting around. Within that area, find the link building group, then select the backlink option. This is where Semrush organizes its backlink analysis features, and it's the fastest route to the overview you need. At the top of the page, you'll see a search field. Click into that field, then type in either your domain or a specific URL you want to investigate, and press Analyze. If you're checking your whole site, entering the root domain helps you see the big picture. If you're curious about a particular page, like a blog post, paste that full URL to focus just on that page's backlinks. Pressing Analyze tells Semrush to retrieve the link data it has indexed for your input. Once the analysis runs, Semrush typically presents a clear dashboard of backlink insights. You'll often see totals for backlinks and referring domains, indicators of link quality like authority metrics, and breakdowns such as top anchors and top linking pages. These highlights make it easy to answer key questions at a glance. How many sites link to you, which pages attract the most links, and what words other sites use when they link. Understanding these details helps you spot strengths to build on and gaps you may want to address in your content strategy. If you're on a free trial, some of these results may appear locked. You might notice padlock icons or limits on the number of results you can view. That's normal for trial access. Even so, Semrush often provides a sample or example view of a backlink analysis, so you can see how the layout looks and what kinds of metrics you'll get with full access. Use that sample to familiarize yourself with where everything lives on the page, so when you upgrade, you can move faster. And that's it. From the main dashboard, into SEO, over to the backlink section, type your domain or URL, and hit Analyze. Keep your domain handy to avoid typos, and remember that a root domain shows the big picture while a specific URL narrows the lens. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.